Hey there movie fans, it's Movie Collector here. Today I have a unboxing video. I received today this package. I'm waiting for a little bit longer than a week, but finally I received a set box, and that is the set box of the Thunderbirds 50 years limited edition. They bring out 1,000 editions of this set box. I believe it is still available and it is very cheap. It's 20 euros and I believe 25 cents. I don't know what is inside, so I can't wait to open it. Let me see. What I do is I open the set box and I put them away from the camera, because if I don't do that you can see what is inside, and that is not a really cool unboxing video or a surprise video. So it's time to open it up. And I give first a little look to the inside artwork. That is pretty cool. It is with all the spaceships from the Thunderbirds. That is very nice. I think this is the complete artwork in the whole box. I think this is the same, but I open it up to that side and I put this a little bit lower. Yes. And let me see what is inside. It has of course a lot of that one inside. Okay, what I've got. Let me see. The first things inside are these things. I don't know what it is. It looks like something to put on your clothes or something, but it's pretty cool. IR. That's very cool. Two of the same things. And from the same logo I've got this one inside. You can put it on your clothes, and I believe with a warm towel or something you can put it on your clothes if you want. But it's very cool. Very nice. And what is that? The next thing inside is the Thunderbirds glasses repair kit, approved by Brains. That is nice. This is made by Brains, and inside is the glasses multi-tool, 50 milliliter lens cleaner and a cleaning cloth. Made by Brains. Let me see. Ah, a sticker. Okay, I need a knife or something. Not a real knife, of course. Or not a big knife, actually, is that what I want to say. Of course, a real knife. And here. Yes. Ah, here it is. That's pretty cool stuff, actually. Here you can clean your glasses, your sunglasses, or your normal... Oh my god. That was stupid. And your normal glasses. Here is a keyring. And here you can repair your glasses if you want, or if you need it. That is very awesome. And very handy as well. Very cool repair kit for glasses by Brains. Okay, the next thing inside is... What is that? Wow. That's pretty cool. look at this. I open it up. That's very cool. This is the statue with 50 years of the Thunderbirds. Oh, is that 2? It looks like 2. Oh yeah, it's 2 things. That's pretty cool. Look at this. I think you can put your DVD or something on it. Or your DVD box set or something. But that's very cool. The 50 years of the Thunderbirds statues. Really cool. And what is that? Let me see. Oh, that is also pretty cool. It's brains. Look at that. It looks like a bubble head or a pop vinyl head. It's not actually the same, but it looks like a bubble head. It's from Brains. Very awesome. He's one of my favorite characters. He's a very smart guy. Very awesome. Look at that one. That's really cool. And that is also pretty cool. It's a mug. A Thunderbird mug. Let me open the mug. That is a mug with Parker on it. Tea, my lady. Tea, my lady. That is pretty cool. Look at that. It's limited to from 1964, 1999 and 2013. Very awesome mug. I really love it. Very cool. What we've got here, it's a book. Okay. Let me open the book. Let me see. This bag is not a toy, of course not. But children don't know that. What is that? This is the inventor's notebook of the Thunderbirds. Made it by Brains. 400 craft paper page and pen with a rule and markings. Okay, I will see that. That is very awesome, by the way. Oh wow, look at this. This is the pen over here. Very cool pen. They put him here in the book. And this is of course the notebook. This looks pretty cool. It's very nice design, by the way. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Very nice. And the last thing inside is, what is it? That is nice to do. Bought your own Thunderbird 2. 34 pieces construction kit with the instruction manual. Made it by Brains. That is pretty cool. That was a very cool thing, by the way. That is nice, how it looks like. How it looks like. I will see how it looks like. This bag is not a toy, I know. That is very cool. That's really simple, actually. But here's the instructions how you can bolt your Thunderbird 2. And here is all the things what you need to bolt the Thunderbird 2. That is very awesome. After the video I will show you my Thunderbird 2. That is pretty cool. I really love this set, by the way. This is a very cool 50 years set box of the Thunderbirds celebration with a limited to 1,000 what they bring out. There's for €20 and 25 cents a lot of fantastic toys inside. I show you one more time the things. The Thunderbird 2 bought your own set. We have here the inventor's notebook with a pen. We have of course the Parker mug. We have the glasses repair set. And we have brains. And we have that one. And these two little things. I don't know what it is, but I put it here. And we have of course these two things with the 50 years celebration. That is a really awesome set. I'm very happy with that ZBOX unboxing video. It has some great surprises inside. I hope you like my video. Subscribe on my channel and leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.